Hello everyone and welcome. Hello everyone and welcome to Rare is Real with me, Priyanka Shinde, the psychologist, the psychotherapist, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so now I'm gonna just say something that everybody will love to hear, and that point is लोग एक दूसरे से इतनी नफरत क्यों करते हैं? Why people hate each other? ये पॉइंट बहुत ही एक डिस्कशन का पॉइंट है, डिस्कशन का मुद्दा है, and at the same time people don't understand it and it's totally understandable. Like यार समझ में ही नहीं आता है मुझसे नफरत क्यों कर रही है या मुझसे नफरत क्यों कर रहा है. यार मेरा ब्रेकअप हो गया, यार अब आगे क्या होगा? Will I ever feel like this again? Will I be in love with somebody? Oh, I was in the office area and this one person keeps on irritating me. My colleague irritates me. अरे नहीं यार, my boss, he gives me tremendous work. बाकी लोगों से ज्यादा ना मुझे ही काम को देता है. Have you ever felt these feelings? I think yeah. Most of the people who are watching these lectures have felt this feeling. या तो breakup, the boss thing, सासू and soon thing, okay? किसी किसी को अपने कलीग्स के साथ, कभी कभी कोई मैरिड लाइफ में, लेकिन पीपल एंड अप हिटिंग ईच अदर. उसका रीजन क्या है? व्हाट इज द रीजन? ये लेक्चर हम 3 पार्ट्स में करेंगे एंड द थीम इज व्हाई पीपल हेट ईच अदर. ओके, सो आई होप यू एंजॉय दिस लेक्चर. प्लीज वॉच इट टिल द एंड. ओके, all 3 lectures and then tell me what you feel about it. Okay, at the same time you can join me on Instagram. The link is given in the description below. Kindly come and follow me. I'm sure it's going to benefit you. Okay, so I'll start with the lecture now. Okay, hatred, one emotion which was always there, one emotion which never made sense to anybody, but at the same time everybody always follows it. इसके पीछे 4 मेन वजह है. नंबर 1, ह्यूमन बीइंग्स एक ग्रुप में शामिल होने वाले लोग रहते हैं. Human beings love to be in one group. It is something that is there genetically in everybody who were animals. Okay, चाहे वो lions हो, tigers हो, deer हो, and human beings were also and are also from the animal kingdom. So naturally they love to be in groups. So अभी hatred group में होके सबसे पहले तो person wants a scapegoat. Scapegoat is बलि का बकरा. जब हम अपने आप में कमियां निकालते हैं, when we find that there are stuff which is something is less in us, something is missing in us, and we don't want to admit it. We don't want to admit that this stuff XYZ needs improvement. Maybe somebody doesn't know how to cook well, somebody doesn't know how to have a stylish dressing sense, somebody doesn't know how to make a draft properly, somebody doesn't know how to give homeopathic medicines properly. That's why we want to find a scapegoat. अरे मैं ना मेरे कमतरता की जिम्मेदारी किसी और पे डाल दूं, किसी और को बलि का बकरा बनाना. This is the first thing, that is a very very important reason for hatred. Person always wants to find the problems, the lesser qualities, the anything you call it. Okay, you want to find it in others but you don't want to improve yourself. ये बात सबके लिए सच है. You, I, our family, everybody. There is nobody in this world who will always say that नहीं नहीं नहीं, गलती तो मेरी भी हो सकती है. This mistake must have a reason inside me. This will be said by very few people, but this is the first reason of hatred. Very very primary reason. और बोलते हैं ना, दुश्मन का दुश्मन दोस्त होता है. That is the second reason of hatred. People love each other when they have one common enemy. For example, there is somebody who had caused you trouble in your primary days of working, and now you are like, okay, I really hate this person, I don't want to be with this person. अब इससे मैं कैसे बदला ले सकती हूँ? How can I मतलब मैं कैसे बदला ले सकती हूँ? Same thing one another person from the workplace is thinking, and both of you are looking at the ex person with hatred. You both will end up being friends. Like I said, human being loves to be in groups. अगर आपको सेम पर्सन से हेट्रेड करने से एक familiar friend मिल रहा है, तो why not? Then you will purposely hate that X person so that you get the Y person as your friend. This is reason number 2. Now reason number 3. This was the seeking connection. In the right words, if I say, it's like people are lonely and seeking connections, even hateful ones. Okay? Yeah? Now, insecurities get the best of them. Okay. You have a boyfriend, say his name is Advait. So Advait and you are boyfriend and girlfriend, and you know that Advait has a better tendency, he can cook better than you, but you don't want to admit it. You want to say that nahi yaar, मैं तो ना पसंद नहीं कर रही हूँ इसको. And some other person comes and he तुम पर बटर मार देता है. That person comes and says, wow, you know how to do this, you know how to cook a barfi so nicely, and you are happy about it. Then naturally you will end up hating Advait because you don't want to admit your insecurities. Okay. Or you have a girlfriend called, say, Sheila. Okay. Now Sheila is like having a better home. Okay. She has better parents, loving parents. She has good education, good workplace, and you are like, how can she be better than me? I must be the best. How can this other person be better than me? It's not worth my attention. It's not worth my time. ऐसे बोल के आप अपने insecurities को आपसे ज्यादा होने देते हो. You end up hating this person because you are insecure about yourself. Your insecurities get the better of you. This is point number 3. Point number 4. Okay. You are in a group. Okay. You are almost the leader of the group at your workplace. Now, a new person comes and joins your company. And now you are like, okay, this person has come. This person, what new things is he trying or is she trying to bring in this company? And you give them more files. You make them talk to the difficult or a little bit of a slow employee of yours. You make them sit at the cornermost position. This is indirectly a display of hatred. Hatred need not be that you are going and slapping somebody. Hatred need not look as if you are trying to just create enmity. Okay. Hatred need not look as if you are trying to slow down somebody's work. Even giving a corner seat, saying bad words, or even knowing that something will affect somebody but still doing it is hatred. Just remember this. Okay. So now this person who gave the corner seat to the new person in his company is actually fearing the unknown. So fearing the unknown, the 4th most important reason of hatred. Okay. And like I said, दुश्मन के दुश्मन दोस्त होते हैं यार, इसलिए तो ये है अत्याचार. और क्या बोलूं यार. Okay. So this is part 1 of the video. For more information, see my next video on why people hate each other. I will also talk about the breakup and how to deal with it in the next part. Okay. So see you. Please subscribe करो यार channel और दूसरों को बता दो कि Rare is Real में भी कुछ ऐसी चीजें डिस्कस की जाती है जो बाकी के टाइम में तुमको मिलेंगी नहीं. And this is the science behind hatred. Okay. See you in the next video. Bye bye.